High-intensity interval training, HIIT, has become one of the most popular fitness trends for its effectiveness in burning calories, improving cardiovascular health, and building strength. But beyond the physical benefits, HIIT is also a powerful tool for boosting mental well-being, largely through its ability to trigger the release of endorphins, those feel-good hormones that enhance mood, reduce stress, and even alleviate pain. In this video, we'll delve into the science behind HIIT, explain how it can naturally boost endorphin levels, and provide a practical workout routine you can try to improve both your physical and mental health. Endorphins are neurotransmitters produced by the brain and nervous system that act as natural painkillers and mood elevators. Often referred to as the body's feel-good chemicals, they are released during activities such as exercise, laughter, and even eating certain foods. Their primary function is to reduce the perception of pain and increase feelings of pleasure and well-being. Exercise, particularly high-intensity workouts like HIIT, triggers the release of endorphins. This is often referred to as the runner's high, but it can be experienced through any form of vigorous exercise, including interval training. HIIT is especially effective because its intense bursts of activity followed by short recovery periods push the body to its limits, creating the ideal environment for endorphin release. A study published in Psychoneuroendocrinology found that after just 20 minutes of high-intensity exercise, participants experienced significant increases in endorphin levels. These endorphins help reduce pain, diminish stress, and create an overall sense of euphoria, making HIIT an excellent workout for both body and mind. HIIT not only promotes physical fitness, but also offers numerous mental health benefits. Here's how. Improved mood. HIIT workouts have been shown to boost mood by increasing the release of endorphins and other mood-regulating neurotransmitters like serotonin and dopamine. Reduced anxiety and stress. The endorphin rush from HIIT can alleviate stress and anxiety by creating a sense of calm and relaxation after the workout. Increased energy levels. Despite its intensity, HIIT has been found to boost energy levels in the long run, reducing fatigue and increasing overall vitality. Better sleep. Regular HIIT sessions have been linked to improved sleep quality, which is essential for mental clarity and emotional well-being. Enhanced cognitive function. A study in the Journal of Cognitive Neuroscience found that high-intensity exercise improves attention, memory, and cognitive flexibility. While all types of exercise can increase endorphin levels, HIIT stands out because of its unique structure. The alternating periods of intense activity followed by rest periods create a cycle of exertion and recovery that keeps the body in a heightened state of activity. This encourages the brain to release more endorphins to help manage the increased demand on the body. HIIT also places a heavy demand on the cardiovascular system, which further contributes to endorphin release. As the heart rate increases and the body pushes through intense intervals, the brain responds by flooding the body with endorphins to manage pain and fatigue, leading to that post-workout euphoric feeling. A well-structured HIIT workout doesn't require fancy equipment or long hours in the gym. In fact, one of the best aspects of HIIT is its efficiency. A typical session lasts between 20 to 30 minutes, making it perfect for those with busy schedules. To maximize endorphin release, your workout should focus on high-intensity exercises that challenge both the cardiovascular system and major muscle groups. Here's a sample HIIT routine designed to boost endorphins. Warm-up, 5 minutes. Jumping jacks, 1 minute. Arm circles, 1 minute. High knees, 1 minute. Light jogging or marching in place, 2 minutes. HIIT circuit, 20 minutes. Perform each exercise at maximum intensity for 40 seconds, followed by 20 seconds of rest. Complete 4 rounds. Burpees, full body exercise that elevates heart rate and works multiple muscle groups. Mountain climbers engages the core, shoulders, and legs while increasing cardiovascular endurance. Jump squats targets the lower body, boosting power and strength. Push-ups works the chest, shoulders, and triceps while engaging the core. Plank to shoulder tap strengthens the core while adding an element of coordination and balance. Cool down and stretch, 5 minutes. Gentle stretching of major muscle groups, hamstrings, quadriceps, shoulders, chest. Deep breathing exercises to calm the nervous system and enhance post-workout relaxation. Here are some strategies to ensure you're maximizing both the physical and mental benefits of your HIIT sessions. Focus on form. Quality over quantity is essential in HIIT. Proper form reduces the risk of injury and ensures that you're engaging the correct muscles. Breathe deeply. Proper breathing enhances oxygen flow, which can help the brain release more endorphins. Set goals. Setting personal goals, like increasing the number of repetitions or extending the duration of intervals, keeps you motivated and engaged. Stay consistent. The more regularly you perform HIIT, the more your body and brain adapt, leading to increased endorphin release over time. While HIIT is a powerful way to boost endorphins, combining it with other endorphin-releasing activities can further enhance your mental and physical well-being. Consider integrating the following into your lifestyle. Yoga and stretching. Yoga's emphasis on deep breathing and mindful movement complements the intensity of HIIT by helping the body recover and promoting relaxation. Spending time outdoors. Natural sunlight and fresh air can increase serotonin levels, amplifying the mood-boosting effects of endorphins. Laughter. Laughter releases endorphins and reduces stress, making it a simple but effective way to enhance your well-being. Incorporating HIIT into your fitness routine not only provides immediate endorphin surges, but also offers long-term mental and physical benefits. Over time, consistent HIIT training can improve mental resilience. The mental toughness required to complete intense intervals translates into greater emotional resilience in daily life. Reduce symptoms of depression and anxiety. The regular release of endorphins from HIIT can help manage the symptoms of depression and anxiety, creating a more balanced mood over time. Enhance social connection. Group HIIT classes or workouts with a partner can add a social element to your training, further boosting endorphins through human connection. In conclusion, HIIT is more than just a way to improve physical fitness. It's a powerful tool for boosting mental well-being by triggering the release of endorphins. These natural mood enhancers not only make you feel good post-workout, but also improve your ability to handle stress, reduce anxiety, and promote overall mental clarity. By incorporating regular HIIT workouts into your fitness routine, you can experience the numerous benefits of endorphins, from improved mood and focus to increased energy and better sleep. Remember, a well-balanced lifestyle that includes proper nutrition, hydration, and rest will further amplify the benefits of HIIT, making it an essential component of any holistic health plan. Whether you're a seasoned athlete or new to fitness, HIIT offers an accessible, efficient, and effective way to boost your endorphins and elevate both your body and mind. So lace up your sneakers, get ready to sweat, and enjoy the rush of feel-good hormones that come with every session. At Balance Echo, we believe that holistic fitness consistency is the foundation of a healthy, balanced life. These tips will help you not only start your holistic fitness journey, but stay on it, no matter the obstacles along the way. Subscribe to our channel, like this video, and continue to explore Balance Echo for more insights on mind-body wellness, meditation, and holistic health practices. Leave a comment and connect with others who are on the same journey to a balanced life.